Okay, what was I gonna do? I'm just Shorty's just talking shit. This is just what I'm doing. Hola. I need a wig. Do you wear wigs? Who told you to lean back? Who told you to lean back, computer? Computer? I do look crazy. Oh my goodness. How do I not look crazy? Hold on, I'll be back. I still look bad. And I'm not trying to be funny. This is just who I am. This is real, like Demi Lovato said. Hey, Demi. It takes so long to get ready. Like I have to do my hair, I have to do makeup, I have to figure out what outfit to do. Like I need a stylist or something. Even like it wasn't given. Like it was giving. That's what it was giving.